Recently, I used ChatGPT and meme tools to create a meme coin in about 5 minutes, and it exploded to a $260,000 market cap in about 5 hours. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made it and how you can copy this same process to absolutely print money whenever you want. Now, I don't want to waste your time, so before I get started, here's what you need to know. Number one, we're launching these coins on Solana. You should have a Phantom wallet with some Sol, or you can figure out how to set that up and send the Solana from an exchange to your wallet. Number two, you need to have at least $1,000, I'd say, to be able to do this. Meme tools cost money for the software license, and you need at least a few $100s to successfully launch a coin. The reason this meme coin did well was because I used about 6 Solana with the buy bot function in meme tools to artificially pump the price to the point where other people noticed and started to buy in as well. And then it just snowballed from there. You can do this with a lot less than that, but it may not work every time. So if you don't have some money to start with, then I'm sorry, but this is probably not for you. The reason why I was able to do this was that meme tools just dropped their V2 update, and it's insane. I'd been waiting for a while for this, and the moment it went live, I used ChatGPT to brainstorm and generate the visuals for a coin called Grog. Then I launched it using the meme tools bundler and launcher, and it blew up. The speed, simplicity, and power of this new version is unreal. It's like having a cheat code for launching meme coins. With AI and this tool combined, you can now spin up a legit coin with barely any time or effort. So I'm going to take you through the entire process from the idea and concept using ChatGPT to the launch and bundling inside of meme tools to taking profit and getting money out without absolutely crashing the chart or completely rugging coin. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but they have a limited time launch offer for 50% off going on right now. And once that's over, the price will be doubling to 8 Solana for the lifetime license. If you have any interest in launching a meme coin in the future, this is a great chance to grab the best launcher and bundler tool before the price goes up. They also currently offer a 1-week rental license so you can try it out and launch some coins. And then if you like it, you can buy the full license, but it looks like there's no discount on that. Again, I have no affiliate link or anything for them. I just use the software and know it's by far the best out there. Link is in the description if you want to see if they still have this deal going. I'm pretty sure it's ending soon, so I just wanted to let you know. Okay, so here's how you can create a meme coin really easily. Go to ChatGPT and write, "Give me 5 really stupid meme coin character ideas that have short, funny names. Create a brief background story for each one." And that will be your description for it. Then it gives you some ideas, and honestly, the stupider the better. You could also ask it for what is trending in entertainment, politics, or in crypto in general, and see what kind of ideas it gives you that could be good for a viral concept for a coin. Then you choose one and write, "Create a 500 by 500 pixel cartoon profile image for it." It should be a basic cartoon with a clean colored background and no text. Next, I set up the coin to launch in meme tools. This is the new V2 dashboard that they just released. Everything is really well organized. It has a ton of new features, and the interface is really clean and looks a lot like the BullX Neo dashboard, if you're familiar with that. They have this dragon mode, which is going to bundle the coin with your initial wallets. Then they added the option to have up to 5 different wallet groups, each which could have up to 20 wallets. So you can create a different group for each coin you launch, for example. Then delete them all as a group when you're done with the coin. This is a really great feature. So I'll create 10 wallets just like this. Then you're going to distribute Sol from your Phantom wallet to all of the wallets you just created. I'll just do 0.05 Sol. And then you refresh the balance and you can see it's all been distributed. So to launch a new coin, you just click launch, then input the token name, tickers, and description. Let's just call this meme tools. And if you want to add a Twitter, Telegram, and website, those are not necessarily needed, but it just depends on how much work you want to put into your coin. Then you add the image that you made. I'll just put this, for example. And once you're done that, click the token address and it will generate the address for your coin. And you can copy that from here. Now you need to fund your dev wallet. This is the wallet that you're publicly showing people that you own and that you're using to initially fund the coin. So just copy the address and send whatever amount you want to launch the coin with. I'm just going to send 0.15 Sol to show you here. I'd recommend buying 2 or 3 Sol with the dev wallet, but again, you can do it with less if you want. Now, before you launch the coin, you're going to set up the buy settings in Dragon mode. So set the dev buy amount. This is going to be a bit less than the amount you funded the dev wallet with to account for the transaction fee and tip amount. So I'll just do 0.01 in this example. Then you can set any sniper buys if you want. I always put 1. Then set the min and max buy amounts for each of your wallets. So if you have 0.05 for each wallet, you could do 0.01 to 0.02, for example. Leave everything else to the default settings here. Then I choose Bullex as the exchange. It's going to say your wallets are buying through. So it's essentially making your wallets look like they're buying through a decentralized exchange instead of through meme tools. This is an absolutely awesome feature. Then for the sell settings, you can basically leave all the tip and slippage options at the default. Then you just click launch. Now, if you're getting volume coming in, it'll show right here, and it will include your total profit here. So now your coin is launched and you want to use your wallets to create some buy volume to pump the coin and entice other people to buy. So you want to use human mode, which is the most natural looking buying option in meme tools. Set your min and max buys based on how much you distributed to each wallet. Then choose Bullex and leave everything else the same. Then go to the sell settings, choose Bullex, and you can just leave everything else the same. Then as soon as you click start, it will start auto buying and selling to pump the price and create volume from the token. This will get other people to potentially jump in. Then as soon as you're in profit, you can start to sell percentages from the individual wallets or the entire amount from individual wallets. And that's how you're going to extract profit from other people who have bought in without crashing the coin. So I like to go through and do this individually as you watch the chart. So as more people buy, you can start to offload your wallets and sell chunks of the supply. Or if you're happy with your profits and you don't mind completely rugging the coin, you can click emergency sell all, and that will dump everything and sell it all back into Sol in your wallets in the dashboard. Then to move your Sol back to your Phantom wallet, you just click refund Sol and paste your wallet address in here. That will send everything out of meme tools and back to your wallet. Okay, so that's how you do it. Obviously, you ideally want a good meme coin concept, but with the human mode buying that they've created, you can often pump the price and get people to buy any stupid coin you want to create. People see any chart that is going up and will just FOMO buy without much thinking or research. You may have done the same thing at one point. I know I have, and that was before I realized I should just be the one making the coins and having all the control and making most of the money. Now I know better. So I hope that helps show you how this can be done fairly easily. I may have missed some details, but honestly, if you get meme tools, they have much better and more detailed tutorial videos once you buy the license. And those would probably answer any questions you might have better than I can. I just use it and have my strategy that took some time and trial and error to perfect. And your strategy might be different. So they show you various ways to launch coins and how you can do successful launches with much less starting capital if you only have a couple Solana to throw at it, for example. So I just wanted to get this out right away because the launch deal for meme tools is probably going to end soon. So make sure to take advantage of that if you're interested. And I'm planning on screen recording my entire next meme coin launch so you can see how it goes from start to finish. So make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss that when it comes out. I'm also giving away 3 Solana to 1 subscriber who has liked this video and comments below. So make sure to do that as well. Okay, that's all for now.